Yeah.
Oh, you built yours too?
Hey, oh wait.
Hello.
That's fucking nice. Oh god. Oh, my shifter. What?
I love motorcycles.
Hell yeah.
Oh, you got one of those GoPros, don't you?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. You do videos?
Yeah, and we're caught out in the rain right now.
I know.
Nice stitched hoodie, man. Nice.
The whole, you should have been able to tell by that.
There's not even a
Biker in there?
There is a biker in there. Oh, you built yours too? Go. Okay. Okay.
How do I lock the door from the... How do I lock it from the outside?
Hey, oh wait. Good.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Hey.
It's really slippery. My tires are sliding a lot. Down.
You did a wheelie.
It was a little wet.